how to see your Gmail password. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Gmail application. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in and you land on your inbox page, then head over to the upper left corner. There you will get 3-line icon. Tap on there. A drop down menu will pop up. Scroll down a bit and at the very end you will get settings option. Tap on there. Now select the account. Again tap on manage your Google account. Here on your interface you will get a menu bar with an option as home, personal info, data and privacy. If you scroll that menu bar you will get a security option. Tap on there. And here scroll down until you find password manager. So tap on there. Here you will be only able to see your Gmail password if you have saved your Gmail password on your Google account. If not, then the only way to see your password is to reset your Gmail password. Then you can simply save it back to Gmail or Google account and then see your password. Now if you have already saved your password on your Google account, simply go to that Gmail and then for your verification you have to enter your screen lock. Once you are verified, you will get to see your Gmail password on this interface. Simply tap on this eye icon and it will show your Gmail password. And that's the only way you can see your Gmail password on your mobile device. That's all for today's video and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.